Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a common problem that many of us come across, and that is the issue of asterisk asterisk. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're trying to asterisk asterisk, but you just can't seem to get it right? Well, you're not alone. Let's explore this problem further and find the perfect solution for it. Now let's talk about the solution to the asterisk asterisk problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in asterisk asterisk. By carefully following the steps of asterisk asterisk, you'll be able to asterisk asterisk in no time. It's important to remember that asterisk asterisk is crucial in this process, so make sure not to skip that step. Moving on with the solution, another important aspect to consider is asterisk asterisk. When you pay attention to asterisk asterisk, you'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to asterisk asterisk. So, don't overlook the significance of asterisk asterisk throughout this process. To wrap things up, dealing with the asterisk asterisk problem can be quite frustrating, but with the right approach, you can overcome it successfully. By asterisk 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 and focusing on asterisk asterisk, you'll be on your way to mastering the art of asterisk asterisk in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a witty comment never hurts.